Hello everybody, how are you all? Today I am showing three different recipes. These are extremely easy. As always, I am using 2 to 3 ingredients in each of these recipe, not more than that, and the time is just one recipe will take just 1 minute, and this particular recipe I am showing it to you right now will take about 3 to 4 minutes time. For this, I took one small packet soup packet, which is the 10 rupee wala. I am emptying that in a soup pan, then adding 1.5 cup of water, and let's boil it. As I mentioned, this will not take much time. Actually, we can call this lazy recipes. Sometimes we don't feel sometimes we don't feel like cooking, so maybe that time you can try this recipe. Yes, there is a little compromise on health if it comes to this particular recipe, because we are using outside product, the soup. Not too bad definitely, but as always we prefer preparing at home. Added little salt in case if you have time. You can add vegetables to this, you can add coriander leaves, add a little pepper to balance the flavors. If we cook this for about 2.5 to 3 minutes, our semia also will be cooked. Just 2 to 3 minutes is more than enough, especially when kids are at home, lockdown period. Just now I just watched on TV that it is announced that lockdown is extended for another 2 weeks, maybe till May 19th, I think they were just saying on TV. So there's a lot of work at home. So maybe 1 or 2 recipes like this we can just make a note of. Sometimes we can try this. This is not definitely junk food, but yeah, tasty, and it's good. I will not say healthy, but yeah, it's a good one. Yeah, second recipe I'm showing it to you is with egg. I just took one egg. This will also not take more than 2 minutes time. I'm adding salt, then a bit of chili powder. Is nearly 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder added. You can add that according to your taste. Kids will love this, and this recipe there is no compromise on the health. This is perfect and super healthy food, I will say. Just 2 minutes. Yes, our egg mixture is ready. Now I'm greasing the pan. We want our omelette to be really thin, so I'm greasing the pan. Actually I took dosa pan. I'm greasing the entire pan because I want the omelette to be really thin, not that thick one. So please ensure you take little bigger size pan, because we'll be spreading the egg mixture on this. Pan on medium flame. Please ensure that you don't put stove on high. All age groups can try this. As I already mentioned, it's very healthy, perfect for breakfast, perfect for evening snack, and perfect as a dinner recipe, especially for the people who are looking for little weight loss. It's quite filling. Yes, our omelette is almost over. Now I'm adding one slice of whole wheat bread to this, and let's fold the omelette. This is almost like a French toast. Yeah, let's cover it from all sides. And let's flip it and cook it on the other side also. Bread also will be very soft in this method, so any age group can happily have this. As I mentioned, this is perfect for people who are looking for light dinner and people who want to lose weight. This is quite filling, not too many calories and extremely healthy. So please do try this. I'm sure kids will love this. Now the third recipe that I will show it to you is take fresh cream, and I'm adding half a teaspoon of sugar to this, and let's mix it. This is also good for all age groups, but especially if you have kids at home, the age group between 1 year to 5 years, I think this is perfect recipe for them. Everybody can try, but it's best for kids. Now I took one bread slice. Again, this is whole wheat bread. So I just place the bread on malai and just little pressing it so that the bread will absorb the moisture, so that the bread becomes little soft. And trying to spread the fresh cream as much as possible. Actually, we can have this directly this way because the bread became very soft and we added sugar to the cream, so it will be very tasty. We can directly have it like this, and we can actually feed this to kids also directly like this. I'm just showing you, see how soft it is. It's very soft, so you can have it this way, or I'll show it to you in another way also. This will it will enhance the flavor. I'm greasing the pan little, again pan on medium flame, and let's toast this for about just few seconds. 10 to 20 seconds is more than enough. I'm also spreading the leftover cream to the bread. As I mentioned, this is fresh cream. I took it from the milk. Yeah, spread this evenly and flip it and toast on other side also for another few seconds. Just 10 to 15 seconds maximum is enough, not more than that. So once we toast, the flavor will enhance. As I already mentioned, you can have it directly, but if you toast it, flavor will be much better. And this is also perfect for all age groups, as I already told you. And this is also very healthy because there is fresh cream. Then we used whole wheat bread. This is also filling and simple and easy recipe. Best for breakfast, evening snack. So do try these recipes at home. Just make a note of it whenever you feel a little lazy or whenever you are not well. If you want to finish your cooking fast, maybe this can help you. I hope you all like these videos. Please do share it with your friends, with your family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Healthy Plate by Madhavi. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you again. See you. Bye bye.